I've said this quite a few times. Alright guys, so today's video, we are here live. Just want to go over some things. My thoughts on my Evo. How it's been. You know, I've been driving this shit for 80,000 miles now. So, you know, I think I got, okay, I haven't been driving for 80K, but it has 80K. I bought it with 62, less than a year ago. It's freaking nuts. But, went back in, I gotta change the blinker fluid. I actually do have to change the blinker light, and I bought 2 orange ones, and now I gotta change both of them. Great. So I gotta do that quick, and then let's go on a drive. Hopefully it's not too dark. If it gets too dark, I'll record this shit tomorrow, but let's hope not. All right, guys, ready to hear this baby? What is going on, guys? It is Jose here, and today, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make your basic average car look JDM as fuck. Let's go. Alright guys, so here I am with my Evo today. Today, like I said, I'm going to be showing you how you make this car look JDM as fuck, even though it already is. But, hold on. Holy smokes, that is hot as a mug. You might be looking at this and you're like, damn bro, that's JDM already. But let me tell you guys, you can still do more to make this car look more JDM. What I'm gonna show you guys, magic. When people see you coming on the highway and they're like, oh, JDM. First off, HIDs. Second of all, fog lights. But fog light color really matters. Make them yellow. That's what we're gonna do. I got some overlays, and I get this shit popping. So the first thing you gotta do, obviously, take off the freaking. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take off the bumper. Well, actually, you really don't have to take off the bumper at all. But what I did, of course, look at this. When I did my headlights, I put the bumper on. This is the thing for the fog lights, so they're not connected, of course. So now I gotta take this shit off, connect the fog lights, and then I bought some yellow overlays. And these are LED bulbs. I'll link them in the description. Pretty much everything I have. And yeah, let's get it. Boom. I didn't even have to take it off all the way. So, good deal, guys. Just plugged it in, took off part of it, and moved it a little bit so I can fit it in. And now it's just this one. Actually, I don't know if you guys know, it is this down here. This right here connects to the fog lights. I'm gonna push this back in. Hopefully they still work. If they don't work, that sucks, but let's go. We're good, got it on. Turn on these lights quick, see what we're working with. Oh shit, I think they came on. Let's see. This is just normal though, these are just the regular ones. These are really bright. Okay. Nice. I like those, dude. Those actually look pretty nice. These are actually very bright LEDs. Look at that. Damn. Well, these are bright as shit too, but that looks really good. I'm debating now if I really want to put the yellow ones on, but we're gonna go JDM, guys. I don't care. I might be able to see better at night, but I'm willing to not be able to see at all to look JDM. So let's get them overlays on, and hopefully I can figure it out because I've never done it before. So let's figure this shit out. Hold on. Before you die, car, let's turn you off. Here they are. So cheap. This is like, I think this is like $6. But It's gonna make a big difference. Good. All right, I found them. They're right here. Look how cheap this is. I bought these literally when I bought the car, and I have just doing it now. But these are it, I guess. Peel. So we gotta clean this shit off. I'm gonna soapy water, clean it off, dry it, put this on. Use the heat gun or the hair dryer to heat this shit up, and then yeah, peel off the excess. And easier said than done, because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Let's go. There it is. Now you might be thinking, bro, you did a terrible job. And I did. It doesn't, okay, I gotta cut it off. I'm just gonna cut it off after. Wanna cut the little edges of the vinyl. It looks really shitty on that side, but this side's a lot better. But this side, I seen it cut in and it'll look fine. I don't really care if there's little ridges in it. I mean, no one really pays attention to that shit. I could have just gotten yellow lights, but I had bought these a while ago. I'm not trying to let $5 go to waste, y'all. Just kidding. But yeah, man, now I'll show you guys what it looks like at night. That's it right there. If you guys want to learn how to do it, well, super easy. This is how you get your car looking JDM. Now when somebody drive by somebody, they're gonna know that's a JDM car. And HIDs, yellow fogs, good to go. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this one. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you can do this better than me, which pretty much anyone can. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.